Jetty Rockers, welcome to Jetty Rocks Fishing. Well, I'm out here this morning. It is 7:40 in the morning, so I'm getting a pretty good start. I got a water surface temperature of 78 degrees. It's really windy. It's pushing about 15 to 16 miles an hour out of the northeast. So I'm not going to be able to go offshore today. I'm not going to be able to hit the jetties. So I'm going to go back in the backwaters again. Been doing pretty good back there lately, so I can't complain too much. Went out yesterday with summer. We got some nice trout. We got some big keeper mangoes, and we caught some other fun stuff. So I got 100 live shrimp with me this morning. Mama and Summer were supposed to come with me, but they saw that it was windy and they said, nah, we'll stay at home. So it's just me. So we're gonna head out here to the backwaters, guys, and hopefully we'll catch some fish. Wish us luck, y'all. Guys, well, we're back here. We're back where I wanted to be. Very nice and quiet back here. As you see, I got some Jetty Rocks fishing hats, guys, so hopefully here pretty soon I'll have some available for y'all to purchase if you wanted to. I might even have a giveaway here in the future, give you guys a couple hats. But we're gonna try to get at it, guys, see if we can't catch a couple fish. I'm kind of anxious to see what's in here this morning. Yesterday was pretty good. So hopefully we'll catch some more trout. That is my main goal today, is to catch some trout. What I'm gonna be fishing with today is my Pin Fierce 3. It's a 3000. This is my Ugly Stick Inshore Select. I think this is a 6.6 or a, let's see here, 7.6. I'm sorry, it's a 7.6. Just using the free line setup. So basically it's just my main line, which is 25-pound test Power Pro to a 20-pound test fluorocarbon. Line to line knot. I use a surgeon's knot is what I use. A little split shot and a 1/0 Mutu light circle hook. And I just hook my shrimp right here in the mouth, so it goes through, so it's streamlined like that. And what we're gonna do is gonna set him out here and just free line it. Make sure he's alive. He's good and alive. And I hope there's some trout in here this morning. I hope. Alright guys, hooked up. Alright, what we got here? He's shaking his head pretty good. What is this? What is this? I have no idea what this is. A mango. Little mang. Little chunky mang. First fish of the day. Kind of how we started out yesterday. Summer got a nice mang. He ain't legal. That's a pretty fish. Alright. Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Alright, that's a... Oh, no! He just came off. That was a good fish. No! No. That was a nice fish. Man. Well, that stinks. That was a nice fish. That thing had some weight to him. Even pulled drag a little bit. I'd like to know what that was. Alright guys, I'm hooked up. This is another mango. Another mang. That's a keeper mang right there. That is a keeper mang. Yeah, that's a chunk. A little chunk mang right there. Alrighty. Let's see here. Been catching a lot of mangs this year. I ain't gonna complain. Yep. 10, almost 10 and a half. Fat little chunky. That's a sandwich. I got him hooked up. Kind of a fighting fish right here. I don't think that's a mango. I'm gonna say that's a jack. Say a jack. Yep, it's a jack. Alright, we got a Jackie. Alright, Mr. Jackerson. More crab bait. Come here, buddy. I don't care what anybody says, that is a fun fighting fish right there. Even little ones like that pull, man. That is a fun fighting fish. Tell you the trick about jacks. See those little black dots? Push on those black dots and he won't pop around that much. Plier a little rusted. Oh man. Let me get this fish unhooked. Show you a trick, guys. You got pliers that are really hard and rusty, put them in salt water. There you go. I don't know what it is about salt water, but it will loosen them right up. And then all you gotta do is just hit them with some WD-40 and you're good to go. Quick little tip. All right. Alright, shark bait. Alright guys, I'm hooked up. Oh gosh. What is this? Another fat mang. Another fat mang. I know there's some trout in here. I'm just not hooking them. They keep getting me. I know there's some trout in here. Jeez. Oh, just stop it. Come on, man. Yep. You're right at 10. I'm gonna let you go. Alright, I got a nice fish. It's fighting pretty good, this fish. What is this? It's a trout. That's what we thought we was in here. Yeah. That's a trouter. Alright, that's what we thought was going to be in here. That's what we were hoping for. All it's only going to be is just 15 inches and I'll be happy. But he does not look 15 inches. He does not look it. Nope, 14 and a half. So you get to go home, Bubba. See ya. Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. Oh, that's the best fish I've hooked all morning. Oh, that is a good fish. What is this? Oh, don't be a catfish. Don't be. It just came off right there. That wasn't a catfish. That's something good. He had the whole shrimp in his mouth. Wow. Man, that was a nice fish. That was a really nice fish. I don't know what that was. Alright, y'all. Well, I'm in my... It's going to be my last spot of the day right here. So... Hasn't been that great of a day, but it hasn't been terrible. It's a lot better than being at work. So... Let's see if we can't come up with a redfish right here. I hope so. Oh, what do I got here? I got something weird. What is this? What on earth? Stingray? Nope, black drum. Alright. Black drum. Alright, that's a good fish. That's awesome. That is awesome. Nice little puppy drum. He's 14 inches, he's going in the box. Oh, he is almost 15, 14 and a half. That's one of Mama's favorite eating fish right there, guys. All right, nice black drum. All right, guys, I got something here. This feels weird. I don't know what this is. This thing is fighting crazy. What on earth is this? That is one of the biggest pinfish I've ever seen in my life. Look at the size of that pinfish. Holy cow. That is a huge pinfish. Not what we want, but that is a big one. Wow, that's a big pinfish. Holy moly. Guys, I got a decent fish here, feels like. What is this? What do we got here? Ooh, nice mang. Fat chunky mang. Alright. I'm good with that. Nice mang. Beautiful mang. I'll do that. That's a good one. That is a 12-inch mang. Beautiful. Starting to pick up. Starting to catch a few now. Yeah, they got something. I don't know what it is. What is that? Oh, nice mang. That's a good mang. That might be my last fish of the day right here, guys. This might be my last fish. Running out of good sized shrimp. Oh, he's 10 and a half, almost 11. Alrighty. Well, I've caught a couple fish, so I ain't gonna complain too much. All my shrimp are pretty much dead. The salinity in the water right now is not good, so the shrimp don't like it. So I'll throw a couple of these dead ones out. See if I can catch one more mang. Be nice to catch another black drum. But if I don't catch anything else in the next 5 minutes, I am going to call it a day, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to go ahead and call it a day. I mean, I put my time in. It is now 12 o'clock. I've been out here since 20 till 8. So I've been out here a while. I haven't really caught a whole lot of fish, but I haven't been skunked either. I had a fun day. It's a lot better than being at home, a lot better than being at work. But nothing really exciting today, but we did catch a few fish. We did have a good time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until I see you guys again soon, thank you very much, Jetty Rockers, for subscribing to my channel and being part of this channel. I'll see y'all real soon, y'all. Well, guys, I'm back at the boat ramp. And this is what I got to deal with. Holy moly. This is actually a concrete walkway. Supposed to be, anyway. Hey Jetty Rockers, thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jetty Rocks Fishing and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page which will send you a link to my Teespring page where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jetty Rockers.